Hello everyone, this is the tutorial of Exercise4. The Exercise4 is to run a sample web-based application through the Java EE and Tomcat web server. The code of Exercise4 can be used at the baseline for your final project. So you should be familiar with this code and you can make your project very easy. So please, I want to emphasize that we will use the Java EE version instead of Java SE version. So first we need to download and install the Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java Developer. So I have listed this download link and you can just click this link, actually it's here, and you can choose the software system. And the second step is to download and install Tomcat 9. So here, this is the web page we opened, and we will use the zip file. And when you finish this downloading, and you just need to unzip this file. And I can show you that. So this is my workspace. As you can see here, I have a lot of unzip file Apache Tomcat. So this is the one we are using right now. So maybe the version is different from yours, but we are using the same name version. I just unzip this file to this folder, and you can put this file where you like it. When we finish this part, and we can open our Eclipse. So let's open my Eclipse. It's here. So as you can see here, so we have to add one server on this browser sidebar. If you cannot find this server icon, so you can go to the window and show view, and you will find the server here, or you can select others and you will find the server here. Just click this one, and then this icon can be added to here. And right now we can see that no server are available, and we can click this link to create a new server. So as you can see here, we will go to Apache and Tomcat 9 and click next. Oh, I want to show you one more stuff. So let me just remove this one, okay? Okay, let's click next. So here is this name. You can just leave it the name as Apache Tomcat v9, and here is the Tomcat installation directory. So as I have mentioned before, that in the second step, after I finish this downloading of Tomcat 9, I unzip this file to this location, to the user local, and here is I just put my user local and Apache Tomcat 9. Then I click next. So here we go. So right now we have added the server successfully. So we will go to the fourth step, and we can download the code of the Exercise4 from the GitHub, right? And this is GitHub. You can just click the clone or download button, and then you can download this one. It's called database master.zip file. Then the next step is to unzip this database master zip file, and here it is. So you can delete it, then unzip one more time. First I want you guys to just delete all these hidden files. then you have no the configuration issue. So the next step is to import this project into Eclipse. So let's open the Eclipse, and we can see here we will click the import and existing project into workspace, and here we click database and click open. No project found. Oh, so we have to choose another way. Is we project from folder archive. Okay, here we go. Okay, we have already imported this database project successfully. Sometimes you have to configure the Java environment, and as we mentioned that we have to update the project facelet and the Java runtime environment. As you can see here, we can right click the project name and select the properties. As you can see here, we have to make sure that first we need to make sure that the build path is correct. Or we can see the build path, the configure build path, right? Here is we can select 1.8, click finish, then apply, and we can click the properties and to 1.8. So we just need to make sure that the project facelet and the Java runtime environment is the same Java version. Then we have imported this project successfully. The next step, we can open the source file, and we have to change the database connection. Is people.dom. Here, right now in the access tool, we create a username the join, and with the password pass1234, right? And we can change the correct password. Then right now, so we have successful to import this project into the Eclipse. The next step is we should make it working, right? And we can right click the web content, and we can select the people list JSP run as on server. Okay, here it is. So we can list our people. Right now we have 2 people, and we can add new people. Name is student. Address is 4710 Cass Avenue. Address is fresh. Okay, here we are. So I think we are through this video, and you can download the Eclipse and download the Tomcat and link the Tomcat to the Eclipse and import the database project. So this is the part 1 of the video, and if you want to learn the source code, and you can click the part 2 and part 3. So I think Dr. Blue's video is very good, and he explained well. So thank you for watching.